Hi, welcome to Gary's Hobby Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you an upcoming project. Could be somewhat computer related, depending upon how I want to take it. But I just started it. I just got back from a weekend away. It was just this past weekend, and had a really good time and everything. Basically, like I said, let me just go ahead and start showing you the video. I recorded on my cell phone. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to be cleaning this in my garage here so that I can start a possible new hobby and also make it kind of like a workbench of some type, but I need to get all this shit organized and everything because I just got crap everywhere. So more to come. Stuff cleaned off. I got a lot of stuff cleaned off and still a lot of work to do. I know I have to get a lot of this stuff sorted and put away somewhere so that I can get the wife's car back in, but it's definitely a lot cleaner. Like I said, I got to organize, go through, throw more crap out. But that's for another part. Okay, so as you can see, I definitely cleaned it up a lot better than in the first segment. This is day 2 of part 1, which after today, part 1 is done, which was just removing a lot of the trash. And now it's pretty much organization and putting stuff I find that I'm never going to use. There's a metal canister. I don't know if yeah, there we go. Right behind the salt there's a metal box, and just to put stuff that I will probably never use in my entire lifetime in there, because it's metal and all kinds of crap that I will never frickin' use. So, but yeah, that's to a point where, I threw out a lot of crap there, put stuff there. It's just now reorganization of the little stuff. Little stuff in these drawers, this stuff up here, this stuff up here, and everything that I can and can't use here. And yes, I had a laptop out here so I could listen to YouTube music with my internet. That's my Craftsman box of tools that I've had for quite a while, since I worked for them. I bought these for myself, but yeah, so that's pretty much day 2 of part 1. I kind of sort of separated this, and I sort of organized this a little bit. Probably going to do a little more just to put stuff away. But yeah, so join me on this journey for the new project that I will be getting into soon. Hopefully, once I get the money. It's all about money. Oh, and one other thing I fixed was that this here, loosen this up. It used to be, it would sit like this, but I couldn't spin this. It would like stop like right about here or something, because this, I need a little anvil for some things, and this actually has that. Well, I unbolted this and spun it this way. So now I can spin it 180 degrees that way, back to this way, so I can use the clamp side and the anvil side. And that did not take that long to do. Okay, so join me again as we continue. Okay, so after you saw the 3 video clips, it was kind of like start, partway through, and I finished the next day. That's just part 1. Like I said, next part's reorganization of everything, probably throw out some more stuff, Just depends on what I run across as I'm reorganizing everything. I just wanted to get most of the trash and stuff that was built up for that you could see in the first video. So, hey, you know, there'll be more to come. I don't know when I'm going to get to those projects because I've got a bunch of stuff going on. And as I always like to say, have a good day, guys.